What's up, guys? Good morning. I'm gonna try to keep this one very short. As you guys can see this morning, 1680 on IMMP. This was very quick, very easy. As you guys know, I jump in when it's breaking go time. So this thing broke over go time. I jumped in, and then it had a pullback, and then right above go time again, I jumped right back in, and then I took a nice move there. So I jumped in at 710, sold at 737, and then I jumped back in at 720, and then sold at 735. So it was a pretty quick move, two trades, two shots, two kills. It was really simple. I'm gonna play this video so you guys can see. Um, Let me see if I can actually. I'll do it later. I'll show you guys later. Let me close this off. Um, I should have jumped in right here as well, but it didn't. I didn't. I already hit my goal, so I didn't want to risk my money. So as you guys can see, this was a trade for the day: 710, 737, and then 720, and then 735. So just two trades today. So just two trades I took today, and that was it. Um, all right, let me play this little video so you guys can see how it went down. So as you can see at 9:29:35, we identified IMMP as the stock to trade for today. So let me hit the play button. As you can see, as soon as it's approaching go time, I'm going to be jumping in to take my profits. So it's almost 9:30. So I'm watching the clock. Watching the clock. 1 second left. Boom. Here we go. So it's climbing up. I'm trying to decide to see if it's going to go down or go up. And I see it climbing up. Volume is kicking in. I jump in. And I'm taking profit there. As you can see, I took profit there. And so now it's going down a little bit. So I sold at the right time. But it ended up going a little bit higher. Um, well, after the pullback, it ended up going a little bit higher. So I waited for the pullback. Let me fast forward this. Let's fast forward. See, it ended up going a little bit higher, but I waited for the pullback. Let's watch this. This is the next trade. So it went below go time, and now I'm like, oh man, maybe this thing is done with. So I was checking out some other stocks. As you can see, I was switching over. I was trying to see if there's any other stocks in play, but this was pretty strong. This thing made a pretty strong move today. I was looking GLSI. I was looking at GLSI. GLSI is making some huge moves. Yesterday, you guys know this thing went crazy. Today, it's also going crazy. Um, Momentum is back. Momentum is back. So now I'm waiting for it to go back above go time to jump back in. Let me fast forward a little bit. Okay, there we go. It's about to crack. And as soon as it's about to crack, I'm going to jump in. I tried to get it a little bit closer to go time, but for some reason I got like, you know, I got filled at 720 all the way up here. You know, imagine if I had um, got filled somewhere right there, just like over here. I try to anticipate the move most of the time, but you know, it is what it is. You're not going to get the best fills all the time. But as long as you know the strategy, you're able to capitalize most of the times. You know, if you're quick enough, you're able to capitalize. But yeah, I got a bad fill. I got filled all the way up here at 720. As you can see, it was dropping. Let me fast forward it a little bit. And then it started climbing back up. I'm watching volume. Okay, volume is starting to kick in. Boom, I jumped in. As you can see, it filled me way up there. Then it went down a little bit. So I just kind of gave it a chance. And then as soon as it popped up, I'm selling. And that was it. That was it for the day. And as you can see, I take a screenshot and then I send it off. I save that and then I send it to the group, the chat group. Let me stop right here because this was it. These were the only two trades. Let's close this out. As you guys can see over, let's see if I could pull this up a little bit here. Maybe I didn't have it. Let's see. Actually, there. All right, so as you guys can see, this is the chat room. All right, let's see. Let's see. Okay, so 9:22 a.m. I'm saying, rise and shine to the group, and let's pull this up a little bit. So 9:22. Let's go back up. All right, so IMP is strong. So let's see. Let's go back up. All right, 9:22. Rise and shine. This thing is. Why does it skip down so fast? Okay, it skips down really fast. I'm just trying to use the mouse. All right, so 9:22, rise and shine. 9:23, I'm letting everyone know IMMP is very strong. 9:28, I send them a screenshot of what I'm about to do. This is the stock that looks good to me. As you can see, this is 9:27.45. So I'm letting everyone know this is the stock that looks good. I mean, it was looking pretty good. So let's go down a little bit. As you can see at 9:30.24, I'm telling everyone I did a nice win, which was this win right there. And then I was looking to jump back in above 707. So then I was like, man, I should wait above go time because this thing is still below VWAP. I wanted to go back above VWAP because, again, below VWAP, sellers are in control. Above VWAP, buyers are in control. I've said that many times in some of the other videos. Cliff is there. Was waiting for it to hit go time again. As you can see, I'm waiting for it to hit go time. And then still watching above go time. I was watching it for a little while. And so, boom, I took my trade and I sent him another screenshot at 9:34. And that's pretty much the time that I was done. Cliff also took a nice win. Cliff hit his daily goal. I hit my daily goal. I'm up 1680. And I was watching for another pullback, but it didn't really, it took too long and I already hit my goal. I didn't want to risk my money. 1680 is pretty good. And so as long as I hit 1,000, I'm pretty good. I don't, I'm not a greedy guy. So I just try to make, I just try to make 1,000 and I'm done. So other than that, I was waiting for that pullback, but it didn't, it was taking a little bit longer than I wanted. And then it dropped all the way down below go time. And at that point, actually, this was over here. It basically gave up all of its gains, as you can see over here. But it did end up coming back up. So I probably should have stayed a little bit longer and watch for it to go back above go time and take this trade right over here and move up. This would have been a nice win. But it is what it is. Could have, should have, would have. So after that, I was done. I let everyone know I'm done. Enjoy your day. Cliff is gone too. So yeah, IMP ended up making that move. Cliff is letting me know. And so yeah, but I'm done. I was done. I hit my goal. I'm done. This is a marathon. It's not a sprint. As long as you're taking profits every day, your account should continue to build. That's just the way of it. This is a lifelong mission. You're going to be trading every day for the rest of your life. So you don't need to try to make $1 million in one day. All you need to do is take a small chunk every single day, and you should be just fine. Okay? So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also, if you guys have any questions, comment below, and I will chat with you guys another day. All right? Cool.